Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Oppo phone setting. Friends, in this video guys I will show you guys how can you turn off your hotspot. Friends, you want to off your hotspot, personal hotspot, so how can you off? In this video I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys, open your phone setting. So guys we will on our first of all phone setting. Then as you can see guys, there is no any setting to guys off your hotspot. Guys, how can you off it? So friends, you can see guys this connection and sharing option. Friends, tap here. Then guys you can see your personal hotspot setting. Then guys you want to off, so you can off from here. But after off guys, you can see this QR code option will remove. So when you will on, then guys you can share your hotspot, otherwise not. So like that guys, you can off your personal hotspot from your phone setting guys. So I hope friends you have understood how to off personal hotspot in our Oppo phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. Now we will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.